on November 5th of 2022, I set forth on a quest to beat Minecraft by slaying the great Ender Dragon, while also teaching the fine people of the internet English. Thus, Fishland was born, and this series commenced. Over the next several months, I built up an empire. I built farms, I explored caves, I even dug to the bottom of the world where I found many diamonds. But then, everything vanished. The hard drive inside my computer failed. The files of my world became corrupt, and Fishland was destroyed. And so, a new world was born. Black Dragon's Flame. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. So welcome back to the series. This is going to be my first video inside my new world, Black Dragon's Flame. So I named this world Black Dragon's Flame because the final boss in Minecraft is the Ender Dragon, which is a black dragon. So that's why I named it Black Dragon's Flame. And I've actually done quite a bit of work in this world. But before I show you my new world, look at this. Minecraft Java Edition. I decided to switch over to Java Edition. In my previous Minecraft videos, I was playing in Bedrock Edition, and I was having a lot of problems with Bedrock Edition, so I decided to switch over to Java, and hopefully Java will be better. So, single player, Black Dragon's Flame, let's enter the new world. Boop! Here we are, the new world, Black Dragon's Flame. So, I'm going to start this video by showing you around my world, because I've done a lot of work in this world. I've built many things. So, first of all, this is where I sleep. This is supposed to be a hammock. I love sleeping in hammocks in real life, so I thought I would build a hammock in Minecraft for me to sleep in. And behind me, as you can probably hear, is the barn. So I have sheep, cows, chickens, and pigs in my barn, just like my old barn. This is a little path that leads right here to the farm. But before I show you the farm, I'm going to sleep. And in the morning, I'll show you the farm. Morning. It's a little lantern. As you can probably tell, the game looks a little bit different than before. There are shadows. I have a shadow right here. This is my shadow. There are shadows, and also there are reflections in the water. See? There are reflections. That's another reason why I wanted to switch over to Java Edition. So this is my farm. On my farm, I've planted potatoes, carrots, beetroots, and wheat. And I've also planted flowers all around my farm. And that's because I want to put a beehive right here in the middle of my farm, because then the bees would fly over to the flowers, collect pollen from the flowers, and fly back to the beehive in the middle right here. And when the bees are flying while holding pollen, they drop some of the pollen and it helps the crops to grow. So I want to put a beehive right here in the middle to help the crops grow faster. Over there, that is a platform that I built. And in the future, I want to build a huge statue on top of that platform. Whoa. Down the stairs, this is the entrance to the mine. So, just like the old mine, this mine goes all the way to the bottom of the world, which is where I found the diamonds that I used to build these diamond tools. Right next to the mine, there is a fountain that I built. This is a fountain. Next to the fountain, there's a bridge. This bridge goes over the stream. It goes over the stream. Over here, this is a building that I will talk about more a little bit later. Inside this building, there is a spiral staircase and some windows. The staircase goes up, 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 up. To here, this is a tower where you can overlook the view. Back down. And inside this building, there is a waterfall. So this is water, but it's actually a kind of elevator because you can swim up the waterfall very easily. Watch. Swim, swim, swim. You see, it's kind of like an elevator. So now we're on top of the tower. I haven't finished building this tower yet. I still need to build the roof up here, but this is another tower to look over the area. And in the future, if I can get some elytra, I can jump off of this tower and fly. Okay, back down the elevator, the water elevator. And this is the final thing that I built. This is a crafting and storage room. So inside this room, there are chests. There are lots of chests. And I built signs up here that say what is inside the chests. So inside this chest right here, there is deep slate. Inside this chest, there are items that mobs drop when you kill them. Inside this chest, there are items from nature, like seeds and flowers and things like that. Over here, these are armor stands. On these stands, you can place armor, like this helmet. Oops. Place on the armor stand, you can place different pieces of armor, like this helmet. See? Over here, this is a stone cutter So you can use this to turn stone into different kinds of blocks. This is a crafting table. This is a loom for building things out of wool. Over here, this is an anvil. This is a grindstone. This is a fletching table. I think that this is called a fletching table. And this is a smithing table. So here and here, these are areas for crafting. And out here, this is a map of the area. So right now, I am right here. This is the chest room. This is the fountain. This is the barn. This is the mine. This is the farm. And these, oh. Jeez. And these are the two huge towers. So there's one more building that I still haven't shown you. And that's because it's not finished yet. It's right here. So this is going to be the enchanting room. Right now, it's empty. It's nighttime, so I'm going to sleep. But in the morning, I will tell you my goal for this video. Sleep. All right. Morning. So the first thing that I wanted to do in this video was show you around my new world. The second thing that I wanted to do in this video is finish building the enchanting room. So this is going to be the enchanting room. In my old world, I had just finished building the enchanting table. And I've also built an enchanting table in this world. It's inside this chest. Here it is, the enchanting table. First, I'm going to place the enchanting table in the enchanting room. I'm going to place the enchanting table right here. There we go. So now I've placed the enchanting table, but if I try to use the enchanting table, watch what happens. So I'll put in my diamond sword and some lapis. So look at this. I can only get level 7 enchantments. 7 is okay, but it's not great. The enchanting table can be powered up to level 30. So level 7 isn't that great. So how do I power up the enchanting table? Well, you power up an enchanting table by building books and placing books all around the enchanting table. So here, 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 all around the enchanting table. So I need to build a bunch of bookshelves and place them around the enchanting table. In this chest, I put everything that I will need to build the bookshelves. Leather to build books, wood to build the bookshelves, and sugarcane to build paper. I'm going to start by turning all of this sugarcane into paper. Let's see, P-A-P-E-R, paper. So I built 60 paper. With paper and leather, I will build books. I have 56 books. Now, using books and wood, I will build bookshelves. There we go. So now I have 18 bookshelves, which should be enough. I think you only need 15 bookshelves to fully power up the enchanting table. So now I'm going to place these bookshelves all around the enchanting table. Here, here, here. Here, 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 and here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now, let's see. Now I can get level 30 enchantments, which will be a lot better than level 7 enchantments. But sadly, right now, I'm only level 10. I'm going to end this video right here. I introduced you to the new world, and I also finished building the enchanting room. So if you liked this video, like and subscribe, and in the next video, I'll go exploring underground. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.